Alright, chat. We're at Firefighter's Pond. Got the chatter on the medium rod, lightning rod, fast action. Got treats. And we got the Cast King on the fluke. And you know what? Let's try this little drop off right here. You never know. Not slip in, it's a little mushy. And yeah, we're gonna check it out. Never really been here. So it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting to see. Got a fish already, you boys. Second cast, boys. Let's go, baby. Second cast. I'm just gonna tear this. Oh, shit. Little tiny boy. Quick release. We're probably gonna terrorize the shit out of this pond. That's one fish already, first 5 minutes. Come here. Ooh. Ooh, boy. Third cast back to back, baby. Come on, chatter. Fast release. Another fish on, baby. That's a good one. Oh, that's a good one, baby. That's a good one, back to back. It's like every single cast here. Nice one. That's a good thinker. I knew pond was gonna be nice, but I didn't think pond fishing was gonna be this crazy. Another one, baby. Ooh. What's up, bro? Use a chatterbait, blue and black. You got it, bro. Blue and black and little fluke. Ooh, come on. They're destroying this thing. Found a different spot. My fluke is totally, it's like destroyed. It'll do. Hopefully. We'll see. Almost, buddy. So they still want this, but I'm telling you, bro, if I got that other one, I'd fucking slayed them. Chatterbait is just OP, buddy. Chatterbait is too OP. Back at the shop though. Today, honestly, delivered, man. It was nice. And good old handy dandy. Hey, oh, good old handy dandy. That thing did the thing today. I'm saying. I usually, I come back, they don't do the thing. I get real upset, but it did the thing. I'm happy and proud. We're gonna go pond hopping a lot more recently. Haven't been recording it, and just now we're gonna start recording more. I'm gonna start taking the GoPro with me everywhere I go now. I'm trying to get all the clips, all the angles, you know what I'm saying? All the catches. I didn't get all of them today because the GoPro battery is like about to die. It's like the last couple minutes I got on this right now. I need to get another battery. But before it dies, I wanted to show you guys the setup too. Man, these little young minnows, sonar minnows, or whatever it's supposed to be. They're money. They're money. On the blue chatter. I tried the white fluke, and I kept saying fluke. They're actually minnows, so. I know somebody's probably watching and they were raging, bro. I know somebody's like, dude, come on, son. You keep saying fluke. Nah, but I'm gonna catch you on the next vid, bro. We're gonna keep doing this, man. I like doing this type of stuff, and yeah. That's all I got for y'all now. I guess till next one, boys. Whoop-de-dee-whoop.